Hello there, my name is Mark Barnabas, your data protection pal, and today I'll talk a little bit about why I learned about data protection, specifically on personal data protection. So I'll break it up into two components. One is for the corporation and one is for the individual. So why learn data protection if I'm an individual? First of all, it is a mandatory by law, not for the individual, but for any organization that you might work for, whether is it a for-profit or non-profit organization. So learning about PDPA or personal data protection would definitely raise your personal value in the organization. And moreover, personal data protection is applicable for all business sectors from F&B, tourism, basically any industry that handles personal data. And even if the business or organization does not have customers, I'm sure they might have some staff. Personal data protection is a much needed skill in the near future, especially with the emphasis on personal rights of the individual in terms of personal data. What about for corporations then? For corporations and even non-profit organizations, the compliance to the Personal Data Protection Act is mandatory in Singapore. And not just to avoid fines from the government for not complying, but more importantly, if an organization can demonstrate its ability and emphasis to protect personal data of its customers and internal stakeholders, I am sure the organization will be well respected and well appreciated by its stakeholders, and certainly will serve to build trust among the stakeholders. So one of the first things to do to learn about data protection is to go for this course called the Fundamentals of Personal Data Protection. This is a WSQ course that's heavily subsidized by SSG, that's the Skills Future Singapore. Moreover, this course is also PSG SFTS funded. Those of you who know what SFTS would appreciate this. So these are the outlines of the course. It introduces the PDPA, it tells about the role of the DPO, develops a process for dispute resolution, manages and then how to manage data breach. Moreover, it will go through the elements of the PDPA that include the data protection, do not call provisions, 9 obligations, and how to do some training map for the staff. So these are the benefits, more benefits that Singaporeans and permanent residents can enjoy. But the information on SSG funding has been updated, so check with your ATO to find out more. And right now, I believe there are more than 10 approved training organizations in Singapore that offer this course. And well, I'm glad to be one of the approved trainers for this course. So for more information, you could either write to me or talk to someone who knows an ATO. So this is Mark, your data protection pal, and I'll see you. Stay safe and be good.